It's in my Today I'm building a giant light ring for the party tonight, which is Loft Sounds, which Sam made a video and it had this. So that's basically, I'm just build a giant one. How does this look?
It looks actually quite amazing. It looks like you're about to, you know, summon a demon, something like that. Oh.
We finished this. It's perfect.
Oh, divina, I can hear what you say. And believe me, I don't understand a thing.
How you feeling, boy?
Mons Vi is about to take the stage. We got Vern Matz on deck. It's about to be a great night. Let's go.
Single firelight, pasting all of my coupons to a bleeding.
Yo, give me your ring light first thought.
Yo, this ring light?
What?
I feel like I'm in the mall.
I'm in the mall right now. We're at the mall. I feel that great.
Guys, what's going on? Welcome to another vlog. Today, swipe up today to get 25% off your next Tesla.
Are you buying a Tesla right now?
Can you get me one? I gotta turn it on.